Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man with the talk must be the verse. Say some people they call him, say make the talk again. He said nobody go fit stop him, make talk, waiting they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa.
Yes, my people, una good afternoon. Etemeni bia, etemeni ho. Wayabo we wayabo van wayabota. Kino jeme kino ma ijeme ivo. Waya wese berunu wanameo. Iyobono wabe unima. Waya iwese. Ikmomowa kakabo. Ibnu wau. Agabe sere na ya atawe no jie. Boti toka masibi. Naga teme we no jie toka masibi. Wari ege iyogiomba iyogiebo. Ne doama nuseluama meje. Egbe nana miege agi mioma no gi gua no gi temata. We mami egbe ni ge calamity ha me degbe. We have a miege family. Emi akiasu ni be family. Domanatie era okagbe omodion ati we era ume mowa emi ga sunu domani hakati era hakati we amashe ero mo ana ya tie government ero mo hiati I don't know ero mo wa wo mo ebo sunu na we aberi o mori o me do ri o we o kan ri oku o kan ri odo ero mo ati for why na mege my gate matter eso we agi gwan o na gwan eni ye yari ase we no jena I want temekere ye we o apostle e matter no wange e matter no runweme meta ne duama nuselu ama meje wa ijerege asia de ade ogasion na so be call him webo o ba call him nason o we apostle vo bag we na o we dam broadcast me be magwa iwe iga go back one rudai be temata o we rudai agute mo ba o ma kan baka fulani o ma kan baka mi no kan do na che government eme weta bununa we no call him any urawebo gate mata megbe we ege aveni gie eni kao awo jon we iye ya favor bo mi no kan de dona but ege agua eni ya de dona bo wa ege o demata me mujaji wa ege erin nevi no malado meje iyogiebo neduama nuseluama meje wa ibe jerege evona o salo bogba o ne the finance we no wa threatening me avanuku o ki asaju ohun o gbe no ohun no o we apostle egi gwan wa emi dandame avanuku ga gbo ruda emi no ma ejowa nana maybe yari le dona my ga gwan we de my gwan aro maro ve gbona no ya gunu meni ga gwan amai bio mani amai bio uwe ni ga gwan emi yari le do uwe ni ga gwan wa yaga wa mi dandame avanuko ka salu wa hu ibia usa fueya adio tonia morio tonia bi akia hunia mokia hunia abi wa idan yo rewe bo wa filugbe guy asia de adasion okwo ga revena okwo mera o meje agaga tawe no jie Ma wale mwegbu wana. Yeah, hello. 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 Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Good afternoon. Well, I'm here. I'll call it direct. So, ime. Aro no here man. Any get go. Even no so vedona. Am I pure money? Am I pure? I refuse to be distracted by anybody. I refuse. Wa call him any get go. Wa ga de gbe call him ni get go for no ko ha gbelu wa. Hello.
Apostle.
Yeah, Domo.
Hello?
Yes,
Domo,
hello.
sir.
Yes.
Domo.
Yes.
Oh, what am I sir? You have my number now.
Live broadcast. Who can give my go on?
Okay, let's look at you here.
Yes, I'm on live broadcast, sir. Oh, I'll call him with it, Domo, sir.
Okay, I will do.
Yeah. Evi ma ya feri re wepo. O wa ma gi ari re do bo wa. Iye ya le kia. O wa ma we la le are wepo a. Eni ya ma be do, a we la le are wepo. O wa ma we la le are wepo. Ai na mege, evi ya kia be do, ma ga kwa, wa we ni ma ga kwa. O a toge. Hello, sir.
Hello, Apostle.
Domo, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Domo, sir.
Domo, sir. Domo, sir.
Yeah.
Afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just listen. I'm live now.
Hello.
I think you're on live broadcast.
Yes, I'm on live broadcast now, sir.
Yes, sir. The thing is, I want to beg you. I want to beg you, please. All these calls you are getting from these people that are trying to distract your cause, that are trying to maybe talk something or say something that is irrelevant, don't attend to them. Don't pay attention to them, because these people, they are not understanding what is happening. They don't know the danger they are putting our very own Edo State. They don't know how bad their own suggestion is. So, me seeing you angry like this morning, shouting like this morning is not good. Please, calm down. Calm down. Don't let all these people annoy you, because they are, if anything happens in that Benin now, these people, they are not there. You are the one on ground with what is going on there. You are giving a live report that we should all see how these Fulani, how these headmen are all destroying and invading our city. And somebody is trying to relate it to the Oba of Benin. That was not your comment. That was not what you said. You only said that traditional rulers are in charge. They should step up, which of course is the right thing to do. So please, just ignore that ignorant person that actually made that comment. Ignore him. Okay. Anybody that calls you ignorance like that, just ignore them.
Okay, sir.
Ignore them.
Okay, sir.
Because I don't see any relevance for what that man said. With what you are doing right now. Just ignore them, please. Please, calm down, and follow your course.
Okay, sir.
Yourself and your friend, you guys follow your course.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because they say ignorance is a disease. Being abroad doesn't mean you know what you are doing. Say what you want to say. Feel free of making any kind of stupid comments. It's not a way. So please just calm down and follow your course.
Okay, sir. Thank you
because
very much.
Without people like that,
network.
Where's the Oba of Benin? Where's the governor? Where is this? Where is that? Now you are blowing the trumpet. They are all saying, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I mean, ignore them, sir. Ignore them, sir.
All right,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. So, thank you very much, sir, Lord Joseph Kingsley. God bless you. I am not under any pair of anybody. I'm under God's command. I'm under the pair of the Holy Ghost. You are asking me to keep quiet? You are joking. Utoge, you are joking. I cannot fold my hand to see my brother being killed. I cannot longer fold my hand to see my sister being killed by some certain elements. Because of fear of the unknown, nobody wants to talk. Agwawu, amagwawu, but you can't kill me. The Malams, the Fulanis, the Hausa have taken over everywhere. And none of you talking. They are telling me they are doing me their job. Hello. Hello. Yes, sir.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm on live broadcast now, sir.
My brother. Yeah, my brother. Thank you very much for the update. As far as I'm concerned, you're speaking very well. You know, and I wanted to say, you know, as far as I'm concerned, I don't want it to be the child.
Yes, sir.
It's not just the children. There are people that live abroad. They don't even know what is happening. As I'm talking to you now, I've got 3 properties along Chapel Road. The answer is there. All the wire work, the crew, everything. So when one house is close to 800,000, they took everything.
Yeah.
That's it. Prepare your bath. The family people, they are illiterate. We all watched the program yesterday. We know what you were talking about. There is no way anybody today will go to a community and show the house. That is not a community to live. The elders, they need to go away from that community. With that, they are not aware. They must be aware.
Yes, sir.
That itself is a kind of. You have said yours. Those who have ears, let them hear. They come the day. We saw them. We all when your last broadcast yesterday, I was the one that wrote, I said, David Junction. I said, go and see what is happening there.
Yes, sir.
It's a time bomb. We know exactly what is happening. Some people that are even talking now, they don't even want to see them back home in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
It's not the choice. That's why we are here. We got properties back home. So our main I'll be going to that. The people that work very hard to invest back home, we are concerned about the well-being of the people that live there. I don't really care about Nigeria, to be honest with you. All I'm concerned is a day. Let's call the city was Edo before 1960.
Yeah.
So if somebody's not bothered, if you are not concerned that there is a tension in the land, that the kind of we are looking at, we have to be very proactive. Even the governor is looking at this video every day, but they're not looking for progress. A lot of discussion is very, very important. This is the only thing to take sense. If you look at your followers, but you see less than 40, 50.
Yes, sir.
But if it's your saga, where they talk about this person is listed, this video is this, You can see more than 3,000 followers.
Yes.
That is the reason why, in fact, all I can say, let me not take much of time for other people to call. Just keep on doing what you are doing.
Yes, sir.
You have been very diplomatic in your statement. Almost. You only use is a clown call. If they don't know to respond, telling them you are a prophet. You are not. So they should know that listen, this is what is going on now. You know when something happens in another community.
Yes, sir.
You need to speak sense. It doesn't happen in your own community.
Yes, sir.
Now they will not tell you that they have one authority where they all go there to work, and then they will not be undermining the law.
Yeah.
So they will have protection from the federal government. So,
Yes, sir.
the majority of them, not all, they are very dark.
Thank you, sir.
You come up.
Thank you, sir. Network is so bad. Sorry, sir. The network is so bad. I want to ask some of those people a question. Who they sell land for our community? Now government they sell land. Not be a Niki and the rest they sell land. Not be our elders they sell land. Now government they sell land. Tell friend truth, you know spoil friend. Everybody they share government, secure community. Now government they sell land. It not be our elders, not be our Nikis, not be the leaders, they sell land. Nobody can stop the truth. Nobody can stop the truth. Now Basaki they sell land for different community. Now Basaki, no be elders, no be a Nike, no be community leaders, no be the sell land. What are you talking about? Do something to protect your land. You are shouting on Basaki. You are shouting on Basaki. On Basaki, no they sell land, give individual. No be community they sell land. No be the who they chop the money. No be the elders. No be the Nike. Come, Mula, take time. You cannot stop the truth. Nobody can stop the truth. And if you think say I can stop what they do, you are joking. I am ready. I am out, all of you. Any of them will go come here again to say me I'm not told. I told I will fire you. If you know what we are going through in this state, you will not talk. Play. They take over Ondo. Play. Things are getting spoiled. Play. They take over in lorry. And you asking me not to kill. Muna take time. I don't know if you anybody. I've heard talk before. I think that's a joke. I am not a pastor. I'm an apostle. We're not going to see the difference between a pastor and a pastor. Who are just selling land? Is it Obasaki? Any small just say we should only call government? What are you talking about? Is it government that is collecting money from the land people are selling? All the village community who is selling the land, our elders, who is collecting their money, they collect the money. Are they giving money back to the government? Are they paying tax to the government? And you are telling me not to talk, you are joking. Why Jerena to a man who say, whoever they want to twist my statement, now thunder go fire you. If you plan evil against me, now cancer go kill your children. Try am. You dare Europe, you know what we are going through in Nigeria. Me, I read message somebody said to me this morning that you asked me to keep quiet. We are not serious. Nonsense. See message somebody sent to me not quite long. 1 hour ago. No, 50, okay, 12, about an hour ago. Said, dear Apostle Alfred, good morning, sir. Myself and my sister would not want to keep you waiting because of the insecurity in Nigeria. We have decided not to invest in Nigeria for now. We are indeed very sorry for any inconveniences. Best regard. And you want me to keep quiet? Our people, you when they talk now, you have investment in Ghana, in Libya, in other country. Why can't you come to invest in your land? See our people, they run come out. These are the people who want to invest, they can't invest because of insecurity. Things are getting worse. And you ask me not to talk as you keep quiet? No. I won't keep quiet. I will not keep quiet. If this person bring investment come Nigeria, you know how many people go employ? You know how many people will remove from street? You are not bothered about that. You only say if you beg your bar, if you beg your bar. And like we're calling, don't try to call me again. If you like carry my name, go anywhere, no work for una. No work for una. Wagamukba Wirengai. Why gave me a cancel as a government house? Funny enough, all our community are porous. All our community are porous. Porous. Una see what happened for okay this morning. Obey una see them, they be like ants. All those keke that they drive them, all the motor that they drive them, all the bicycle that they drive them. Where is our people? Our people are not prepared. Somebody will say, no, they are doing menial job. Which menial job? Is there no job in other states? Is there no job in North? Now they hear job there. Now they hear job there. Job not the other state. Job not the North. If they find where they want clear, me they go submission for they go clear. I keep saying it. I have sent the warning. Oko, Omaera, Omaeje. War. You don't know papa, you don't know mama. When calamity go strike, calamity no go ask. Now your brother there abroad, now your sister there Kaduna, you go finish whoever they want finished. Since you say make I know they talk again, no problem. I go leave una. Anything I should I go bear. She said we no manage your work. Since you not like better thing, we go bear. As I say me I don't talk again, no talk again. Everybody go bear. We go bear. Since you fit go abroad, go carry your family come out, go abroad. Go carry all of them come out. Because wait till until they joke so, wait till until they play so. It not the person not calling name. Wait till until they joke so until they play. Look at Oyo. The same thing happened for Olu. Olu now is a graveyard where because of evil people, when they sabotage, when they say, oh my camera, you are not talking, you don't want to talk, you are afraid. Look at Olu today. Olu is a graveyard. Olu is a graveyard. You are not going to say, how do we find solution to the insecurity? You are telling me I should not link it to the traditional ruler. You are joking. You are joking. You not say, how do we the public skeleton don't link it to this? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? See, I am not under the pay of anybody. I'm also answerable to God. I fear no soul, but I respect also. Talk as it be. Talk as it be. Look at it. I'm stressed up. I am stressed up because of Una. I don't sleep because of Una. I don't rest to ensure things work well for my state. Look at me. I'm stressed up. I never shave. I don't hungry. I have what it takes to take care of my family. But no. I carry the entire country matter for head. And you are telling me to keep quiet? You are joking. I'm out for all of you. See, I never shave. I'm stressed up. Fighting for my state. Fighting for my country. But you there, you are eating. You are making useless call. You dey enjoy yourself, you dey flex. You don't know what we are going through in Nigeria. You think I'm smiling? Do you see smile on my face? I'm stressed up. But I will continue to fight for those states. I will continue to stand for truth. I will continue to stand for the truth. If these people, let me tell you, somebody say, oh, they are doing menial job with cutlass every day. You see them so open. Make other person won't collapse. You are a gunner. See, you say they do menial job. They are doing menial job, right? They are doing menial job. They are the ones who stealing, raping everywhere. And you are telling me they are doing menial job. Continue. But let me shock you. If you ever think say me, go stop, you dey joke. If you ever think say one day Apostle Alfred will stop talking, you are joking. I've not even started. Until I see peace in my state, I will not stop talking. Until I see progress in my state, I will not stop talking. And there is nothing anybody can do about it. Nothing. After all, God gave everybody this land. For your information. Just as your father fight for the freedom of the land. Now, so my great-grandfather, my father fight for the freedom of the land. So we are fighters. So you can't stop me from fighting. That's information. Mona Yera. No man owns the land. God owns the land. Don't tell me that. Just as our father fight for freedom of the land, now so my own father fight too. My grandfather fight for the freedom of the state, for the land. I will continue to fight. And there's nothing anybody can do about that. Don't talk, don't talk, don't talk, don't talk, don't talk. These are getting spoiled every day. Don't talk, don't talk. It pains me. It's my drag through all the community. It's terrible. So my people, let's those that have ear to hear, let them hear. Those people will get ear to hear, make una hear. I don't play my part. Make una they lose guard. Are you aware these people do not communicate with English? They listen to, they get instruction. And when problem one strike, they move together. They move together and they have information. And you expect me to keep quiet. I know we'll keep quiet. I go continue to talk as it be. If you not like, no na they monitor me. If you not like, no na plan evil against me. As na they plan evil, na evil will kill you now. May I tell you now? If you are a dumb man and you are plotting evil against me for saying the truth, coronavirus will visit your family. Coronavirus will visit your family. Time don't reach for us to tell ourselves the truth. Time don't reach for us to tell ourselves the truth. All I'm fighting for is for the liberation of my state. The state is under siege. The state is under siege. The governor cannot do everything alone, for your information. At this 30 quarter yesterday, when I hear something that is shake, and they shake. I hear something yesterday, and they shake. I say, what? One of our chief, now get the cow away to Welu, over 20 cow. Go Welu. One of our chief, hold that cow. Over 200. Who be the full on it, and there was rape in Uwelu few days ago, and the girl confessed. The girl said, "Now one full on it, now someone I rape her." What are you talking about? And you expect to keep quiet? You people are joking. You people are joking. You people are joking. Talk as it be, no shaking. I'm with God. God is with me. I fear no soul. I only respect souls. You can't kill me. It's not possible. If you plan evil against me, you die with calamity. Madness will visit your generation. If you plot evil against me for standing for the truth, madness will visit your generation, and your generation will never recover from it. Sentiment. Hey, sentiment. Sentiment. People are dying. You are telling me not to talk? Go to Digi. Who gave the land to the Fulani? Our chiefs. After you know the local go abroad, leaving the people to take care of themselves. Who are those selling the land? Our chiefs. And you expect to keep quiet? You guys are joking. Well, Owano Samudiana Ede. If you know why Yerega, Yogyoba, Yogyabo, Neduama no Seluama, MG. When you are when you guana, worry he go ma ya ro video ga ri gba wa o adi wa e ho gi agba fi won tun o ga gun o ga ho gi afi o won tun ro wa o ga gun sisi e ma fi won tun na no ya gun na wa gu me no gun wa gu me gui o ma wa jirige ne duama no se loama emeji and arrow barrow agbona no mechi gue mata oga sege okpa vie ti gwaru da o na bu weme ti gwaru da ige gwalo o wa me gbe me e stress no ge mameti in shame then ya ma shame rudu wa rude me mo rudi ba e wa me gbe me o wa me gbe me be rude mo rude bi etima ya fe ke no rigwe e ma ya no rigwe e etima ni ho ya vie mechi yugbo ari otonia mori otonia bi e governor otonia abi oma waya wese awe teme ya fe no le rume wakabo ale rume e mata e hia gauta I continue to say it waya wese do awe ni egi gun ikibore ya wu waya fe gari gba wa o ga set when ore we boni imashore we boni wa gu edia ruda wa ga en o kan sunu we no sunu we do me masho we ameti bi won me rupu yo to ruda orun we e kan so to wa we say.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for this matter. Why people go dey vex for Apostle Alfred because of say e dey give us the information wetin dey happen for Edo State. Wetin dey make these people dey vex, dey try stop Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Now the way they talk the thing or they no like wetin they show us for social media. Now which one? Let us know for comment section. If you get anything to add join wetin Apostle Alfred don talk today for this video, just put am for comment section. And make you also help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. So make I leave you with the video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.